all clean. Start this baby up. Well, not clean on the inside, but okay. Alright, so I just gave my Abarth a nice bath. And next, we gotta clean the inside. Clutch in, engage. Alright. And then Monday is when she goes to my mechanic and she gets new motor mount and training mounts installed because it needs it badly, really bad. Good. If I could just find my keys. Aha. There we go. Okay, so it's finally a nice day outside where it's not that hot out. Thank God, because usually it's 95 degrees, 100 degrees. It's only about 80 degrees right now, and it's almost 12 o'clock. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, so just got in the Abarth, about to hit the gym. You know, why wear muscle shirts? Just because. All right, so let's start this bad boy up. That exhaust, huh? It's a cold start. It's a little messy, but this is the inside. It's my roll cage. If you guys haven't seen it. The other day, this came loose. And I was driving and I kept hearing like this banging noise and I was like, what was that? What's going on? Why is my car making these rattling noises? It's because this came loose, this unhatched. This must have got loose somehow. And then my rim and tire was bouncing on the inside over here. And it did scratch the cage a little bit, but it's okay. The cage has a few scratches as it is, as you can see right over there. But that's normal, that's fine. Gotta represent. Gotta represent. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're rolling. Alright. We got the phone. We got the headphones. We got the gloves. Check. Alright. Let's rock and roll. Okay, so last night I was online watching YouTube videos on the 124 Abarth Spider. Like I said before, I'm absolutely in love with that car. And I just can't get over it. It's beautiful. It's got the long hood, it's got the short back, you know. When you're sitting inside the car, you actually see the fenders like hump over front, like from your view. It's absolutely beautiful. Love it. And this person just cut right in front of me. It's okay. I digress. Alright. Okay, so. But yeah, like I was saying, I really want to get the 124 Abarth Spider. As soon as this car is fully paid off for, I'm gonna do it. It's about 1 year. It's about 1 year, guys. So I know it's still a lot of time. Sorry, my brakes again are really, really bad. I know 1 year is still a long time, but I'm okay with that. So, but yeah, I was looking at the manuals versus the automatics. Again, I know, why would you buy this type of car in an automatic? If you're a car enthusiast, right, you always get the automatic. There's no question about it, right? Why would you even consider the automatic? Now, my 500 is already a manual, and it's my only car. So now the question is, do I want two cars that are stick shift? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. There's only one way for me to figure it out. I have to go test drive the 124 Abarth Spider. Now, I'm going to test drive both the manual and the automatic. I mean, both my brothers have Alfa Romeo 4Cs. And yeah, technically they're automatic, you know? You could just put it in one, and guess what? It's automatic. And then if you want, you have the paddle shifters if you want to have fun, you know? So, with the Abarth 124 Spider, it has paddle shifters, only on the Abarth version. Now, everyone says that the automatic transmission in the 124 Abarth Spider isn't that good. Now, I don't know about that, meaning I don't know if that's true or not, because like I said, I never driven the 124 Abarth Spider. So, the thing is this. I have to go test drive it. That's that. Oh, there's so much sun on me right now. Hold on. Close the sunroof. Let's see if we get better lighting that way. Okay, yeah. Like I said, I gotta go drive the 124 Abarth Spider for myself. Now, I drove my good friend Brett's 124 Abarth Spider. It's a manual, and the thing was phenomenal. It absolutely loved it. Of course, his car is not stock at all. It's pretty, he had some, you know, he had a good few mods on it. But it felt good driving the stick shift in that car, having the roof down, the soft top down, you know, having that long hood right in front of you. You're right in front of the rear wheels, you know, and I felt the back end kick out a little bit, which is pretty cool because it's something different for me, because this car, as we all know, is a front wheel drive car, and the Abarth 124 is a rear wheel drive. And that's something that's it's gonna be a whole new experience for me. Even though yes, it's the same engine, it's a completely different feel. So what is that? What does that say? Oh, okay. But yeah. So I saw online that this guy put extender, I don't know what it's called, but it's like bigger paddle shifters. It's pretty much like extensions, because the paddle shifters on the 124, or even like the Alfa Romeo 4C, they're very small, right? And you want them to be bigger, right? So he bought them. I believe they go to like a Mazda car. I forget which one it is. I saved the link. I have to get it. And you put them on. They're a direct fit, and they look so sick. I want to get them if I get the automatic. You know, you just put the car in drive and you enjoy. You don't have to worry about clutch, shifters. You don't have to worry about long term, like if your clutch is going to go out. You don't have to worry about the actual shifter giving you problems. You know, so, I mean, there's a lot of pros and cons to each side. But the thing is, again, in my shoes, think about this. If you already have a heavily modified 500, what this is, and it's a manual, your next car, if you were to get the 124 Abarth Spider, would it be an automatic or manual? Why and why not? Now I know a lot of people, like, they'll get the automatic because they have like a lot of leg problems. They can't be pushing the clutch all the time. I don't have any issues like that. I'm good. But the thing is, do I want to have two manuals? I don't know. And I'm sure it's gonna be just as fun, you know? you know, there's many companies out there that have tunes for these cars that can help with the shifting, things like that. I know it's never going to be as fun, and you're not going to have as much control as a manual. I know that. So please be easy on me in the comments because I know all that already. But I would like to hear your point of view on it. Your I can't even say that word. Perspective. I can't even say that word. But yeah. And the 2 color options I would get is that gray, okay, or the white. No other color. And the packages I would get with it is, see, here's the thing. You could, if you don't get the Brembo brakes, you don't have, no worry about them, because you can always buy the aftermarket 6-piston Willwoods, which are phenomenal because I have them on this car. Absolutely love them. Honestly, the only package I would want to get is the Recaro seats. That's it. Honestly, that's it. But yeah, if you watch this whole video, I'm leaning more towards the manual, not the automatic. You never know. Stay tuned. All right, guys, time for me to hit the gym. Planet Fitness. Let's do this.